Yo, hello, what's up guys? Moaaz here, welcome back to my channel, and today I am designing a commission post for a friend of mine's, and also this video is to tell you guys that I'm back, I'm doing fine, not to worry, and also thank you guys who reached out to me over Instagram. Man, I was blown away by the love and support, and I'm just, the only thing I can say is thank you, and I'm so lucky to have people like you around, and it's a blessing in its own. Also about the commission thingy, my friend, she's doing commissions. I'll try to leave down her socials, so you can just get in contact with her. If you like what you see, you can commission her. And also from that, I also start doing commissions, and if you want to commission me, you can just head over to my Fiverr profile. I'll leave down a link to that, and you can just commission me there. You can just text me over there, and we can work stuff out from there. You know how it goes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Take care, stay awesome, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. Said evil mean to play with the light as we speak. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night, they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. Said evil mean to play with the light just we. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night, they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago.